Bagalkot. Today in my today's session, I am going to start the exercise 1.1. In the previous class, already I explained you what are integers and how to locate the integers on the number line, and even the how to see the integers on the number line, how to recognize them, the integers on the number line. Now regarding these all points, here there is an exercise 1.1. Since the problems are very big, I cannot write the problem and the solution both on the board. So I am going to give you the PDF of exercise 1.1. From that PDF you copy the questions and the solutions you take from the board. Now the first question, see here, this is a number line. On this number line, at some points temperature of the places is given. See, this is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here minus 5, minus 10. In between those, some places are there. Their temperatures are given. And you know that temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is the unit of temperature. Okay. Now, just by seeing if this is 0 and left side of this is, you know, that is negative integers. Okay. So, after the 0 here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 will come. So, like that here, if it is minus 1 means this will be minus 2. Now, we have to write the temperature of these all places, that is question A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So, the first one is Lahul Spiti. What is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? See, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. This is minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay. And then next, Srinagar. Srinagar, this is 0 means this is minus 1, minus 2 degree Celsius. Then next, Shimla. Shimla, this is on the right side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 degree Celsius. 5 degree Celsius. Then next comes, see, this is 15. Previous of that means 14. That place is Ooty. Here see, Ooty is 14 degree Celsius. Then next comes, here this is 15, 20, 21, 22. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. These are the temperatures of the given places on the number line. Then the next question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? First we will write here, that is B. Which is the hottest place? Temperature of hottest place we will write. Temperature of hottest place. What is the temperature here? Hottest, which is the hottest place here? 22 degree. That is at Bengaluru. Okay. And then coldest place. Temperature of coldest, here see, 5, 14, 22, and then this is 2 minus 8 degrees Celsius is coldest. Okay. Coldest place. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the difference between these two. Therefore, difference between hottest and coldest place. Difference between the temperature of hottest and coldest place is equal to 22 minus of minus 8, because this is difference. So 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. This is what the second one. Then see the third question regarding this number line only. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature at Lahul Spiti. At Lahul Spiti. What is the temperature there? See, this is Lahul Spiti temperature is minus 8 degree Celsius. And then what is the temperature at Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar. What is the temperature at Srinagar? Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Now, what is the difference therefore? Difference between both places is equal to minus 2 degree difference, no, minus of minus 8 is equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 8 is equal to 6 degree Celsius. This is what C. Now the D answer. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? See, they are asking here. When we taken together, that means the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. See, what is Srinagar? Srinagar is here and Shimla is here. So both together taken. Temperature taken together of the places which places taken together? Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Temperature, which one? Shimla and Srinagar are places. Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar and Shimla taken together means we have to add them. Okay. Shimla. What is that? Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Shimla is plus it is 5 degree Celsius is equal to 3 degree Celsius. This 3 degree Celsius is, we have to compare it to the, what? Is it less than the temperature at Shimla? Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Yes. Yes. 3 degree Celsius is less than temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla. See here. Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Now we got is 3 degree. So this is, yes, 3 degree Celsius is less than temperature of Shimla. Okay. Then in that only one more question they asked. Is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? Srinagar is minus 2. Minus 2 is less or 3 degree Celsius is less? Minus 2 is less. 3 degree Celsius is not less than the Srinagar. So, no. 3 degree Celsius is not less than temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. This is what the first problem. So you can copy this. Now the second problem. As I told you, these all the questions are displayed in the PDF. So you take the question from that PDF. Now I am reading the question and make you to understand and solve the problem here. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Here see there is a quiz. For the correct answers, positive marks are given. For the incorrect answers, negative marks are given. Here Jack's some marks are given. In that some are positive, some are negative. We have to take the total of his marks. Okay. So second problem, that is positive marks are given. Positive marks are given for correct answers. Given for correct answers. Okay. Then one more point, what? Negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Okay. Now then Jack's marks which are the Jack's marks? 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Therefore, his total marks at the end. Therefore, his total marks at the end is equal to 25 -5 -10 plus 15 plus 10. So 25, first we add all the positive numbers. Okay. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 10, 50 minus 15 is equal to 35 marks. Okay. This is what second problem. Now third problem. Third problem is, see, third problem. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Monday, the temperature of Srinagar was -5 degrees Celsius. -5 degree means very low it is. As we go down or negative, that temperature is very low. Temperature is very low means it's very cold. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means again going down. Okay, again going down till still again colder. That means, see, dropped means negative, raised means positive. Now see here, temperature and Srinagar. Temperature and Srinagar on Monday. On Monday is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. minus 5 degree Celsius. Then the dropped temperature on Tuesday is equal to 2 degree. 2 means it is minus. Why minus? Because dropping means minus. So what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Therefore temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to, see, minus 7 degree Celsius. Minus 5, minus 2. We have to add them. Both negative numbers are added with the same sign. Then on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Again on Wednesday it is raising. Raising means plus. So temperature rose on Wednesday is equal to, that is plus 4 degree Celsius. Rose means raising up, that is plus. How much it is? 4 degree Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Therefore temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to, now these two are 7. Now this is 1 plus 1 minus. So this is minus 3 degree Celsius. 1 plus 1 minus number we have to subtract and bigger number sign will come here. Minus 3 degree Celsius. This is what method of solving the problems. Okay. Now the fourth problem. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. You know, no? Sea level. See, like this sea level will be there. This is above the sea level. This is below the sea level. Here there is one plane is flying. This is one plane. It is flying like this. See, the distance between these two is how much? 5000 meter. Okay. Then it goes on flying. Here there is one submarine. Submarine is, you know, under the sea level it goes and search for some things. There is one branch in the engineering, that is submarine engineering. Here like that one submarine is there under the sea level. The distance between this sea level and this submarine is 1200. Then when the plane comes here, what is the distance between submarine and the plane? They are asking. Just we have to add this. This is 5000. This is 1200. So both together it is, how much it is? 5000. This is 1000 to 6200 meter. This is what rough explanation. Now I will give the steps for that. See here. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. The fourth problem. Distance between sea level and the flying plane. Flying plane is 5000 meter. Then one more. What is the distance between submarine floating below the sea level? Then distance between between below the sea level and the submarine is below the sea level and submarine is equal to 1200 meter. Therefore, the total vertical distance between submarine and plane is equal to 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. This is what? 6200 meter. Now the fifth problem. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Amount deposited will be positive. Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. We are keeping the amount or we are depositing the amount in our bank account when it is extra. Then again whenever we want we can take it the money, that is withdrawal. Keeping the amount is depositing. Taking back is withdrawal. Here keeping the amount is positive, withdrawal is negative. So like that Mohan deposits rupees 2000 and withdraws rupees 1642. Now how much amount is remaining? We have to subtract it. See. Now amount depositing is positive. Amount withdrawal is negative. Then amount Mohan deposits is equal to rupees 2000. Then amount he withdrew is rupees 1642. This is minus, okay, because amount withdrawal it is. Then we have to find out the difference. So what is the amount remaining? Therefore the amount remaining is Mohan's balance in Mohan's account. Therefore rupees 358 is the balance amount in his account. This is what method of solving the problem. Next, sixth problem. See, one picture is given there for you. Rita goes, here see. See, this is A and B, okay, and this is east and this is west. Okay, now I explain. Rita goes 20 kilometer towards east. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east. Towards east she is going. How much? 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers towards east from point A to point B. From here to here it is 20 kilometer. Okay. From B she moves 30 kilometer towards west. See, opposite direction means negative always. From B to west she is going. How much? 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers. Okay. 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive, how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? Negative. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? See, solution. Rita goes A to B 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. This is towards east. A to B towards east is 20 kilometer. Then again she comes back from, she moves back. She moves back from B to towards west is equal to minus 30 kilometer. Is minus. Why? Towards east is positive, means towards west is minus. Therefore, this is nothing but minus 10 kilometer. Minus 10 is what it is. By which integer will you represent her final position? From A. This is what? Rita's final position is equal to minus 10 kilometer. Okay, this is what? Sixth problem. Then see now, seventh problem I am going to solve. That is magic squares. See now, this is one magic square. In a square, magic squares, either it will be 3 by 3 or 5 by 5. This is 3 by 3. Or sometimes it may be 4 by 4 also. One perfect square number magic squares will be there always. See, these two are 3 by 3. In the magic square, some of the rows and some of the columns, this is 5, minus 5, 0, 3, minus 3, 7, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 6, 4, minus 7, minus 3, minus 2, minus 10, 0. See now, sum of these two you do, this will be 0. This also 0. How? This is minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Same way here, 7 minus 7. Here 3 minus 3. This is 0. Here also see 5 minus 5, 0. This is minus 3, minus 3. 3 minus 3, this is 0. This also 0. Sorry. Then diagonally you have to see 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Here also 0. But here see, this is minus 6. This is not the magic square. Even diagonally also it should be same. So now this we'll see. This is minus 9. This is minus 9. And this is minus 9. And this vertically also minus 9. This also minus 9. This is equal to minus 9. Even the diagonally also minus 9. Even this diagonally also minus 9. So this is first magic square and this is second magic square. So what we have to write? Now what is the question they asked? They asked the question here that check which of the following is a magic square. Second is a magic square. Second is a magic square. This is what 7 problems enough today. Next, in the next video or in the next session, I will give the remaining 8, 9, 10 problems. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.